bolts up. Slide this forward. Slide up. It's time to plug. So with your 3/16 drill bit, you got your little pre-marked holes there. Just gonna drill out nice and easy through plastic. Same thing on the other side. Kind of make sure all your holes line up. Kind of hold themselves in there. You gotta throw your backing washers on, just like that. Then the washers will hold themselves there. So you just and now it's kind of hang in place, so you get your other two in. There's a pre-marked hole on this side to drill hole through that you're gonna take out, and then place your skid plate up there and put the bolt through it. Torx 25 bit. Washer and a nut on the inside of that, kind of down beside your clutch. The hole for your rivet there.
Wait. Get a different angle here.
You're gonna punch through some foam on the back, spit out a little pre-cut circle. Same thing at the very back. Then for this front one, you use another backing washer. Make sure your skid plate's up tight. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 that just go in pre-drilled holes.